Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be working on the Tesla. It's been a while since we worked on it, so right now I'm heading over to the homie Larry's shop, Tesla Mod. Huge shout out to Tesla Mod for always doing my installs. When I was younger, I used to love doing the installs, but now I just don't want to mess anything up, so we go to Larry. We'll get to his shop in a little bit, but Hanshow sent me out some goodies, so I'm gonna get those installed today. I'm super excited to throw them on because they've literally been sitting for the past, I don't even know, couple months. It's gonna be a good day though. Let's get it and let's go. We just got to Larry's shop. He has a brand new Performance Model 3 in here, so I want to show you guys some of the differences. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is this diffuser. It looks a lot more aggressive. It comes out more. You see on mine, it's just smooth back here. So I like how they did that. I like the new tail lights a lot. Those are pretty sick. And dry carbon fiber. It also comes with the ambient lighting already inside. Carbon fiber right here. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Today, we're gonna do tail lights. We have the Eagle Eye tail lights from Hanshow. If you guys want to use my code, it's SINTB1 to get 20% off of everything on their website. They also sent me over their fridge. We're gonna get started in a little bit, but I just want to show you guys some of the differences between the older Model 3 versus the newer one right here. Just in case you guys missed it on my Instagram, these are the Eagle Eye tail lights that Hanshow sent out. So let's do a little side-by-side comparison right here. Here's how the Eagle Eyes look. They look a little bit more smoky. I like that look. I don't want it completely smoked out, but it's a little bit darker than the OEM ones. Looks like it came with some wiring. This is the part that scares me. This looks a little crazy here. And this right here is the fridge. It's like 40 something pounds. Alright guys, these are the new tail lights. You guys saw the sequence already, but the freaking power up is super nice. Look at that. So sick. Let's take a quick look and see the fridge that Hanshow sent out. Let's see how this thing looks. So this is perfect for those beach days or even camping. I might even use this to sell some stuff, sell some drinks and all that. Looks like it's pretty easy to put in too. Maybe we'll drop this in for you guys. Look at that. Here's a look at the trunk fridge. It fits right underneath here. So it's perfect. Cut out. Perfect. Put a bunch of drinks in here. You can put some sandwiches for the beach. And this connects to the cigarette lighter. So everything's pretty easy to install. It has handles so you can easily pull it out. And you can adjust everything over here. I'm not gonna turn it on yet just because I'm not using it, but yeah, this is gonna be super helpful. You wouldn't even know that it's there either. That's the crazy part. Also, if you guys need any Tesla accessories and you're in the Bay Area, you could hit up Larry. You guys need like steering wheels, caliper covers, he has screens for the rear. Basically anything that you guys need, he will take care of you guys. So he also does mobile installs as well. And it looks like he just added some carbon to the shop. Oh my God. Dude, I've been looking for a freaking diffuser. This is sick. This reminds me of the old one I used to have. He has some side skirts. Oh, these are so sick. Oh my gosh. Ooh, what is this? What is this? I want to press the button. Do I press it? Oh, dude. Dude, that's so sick. So your passengers, they can eat in your car, they can do work. Oh, fire. Might need to do that one next. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to Quick Bandit as well, Tony. All Teslas don't really come with a license plate in the front, so he patented this design right here, and he's a local, so if you guys want something like this, it just clips into the grill, has a lock on it too if you guys want to put the lock. Support the homie at Quick Bandit. I will have his link down below with the discount code. That diffuser though. Good morning, guys. We're out here. Beautiful Saturday in SF. We're at the ride out right now. And we're here a little bit early. Raph got a new bike.
So YT Decoy.
YT Decoy.
Rinders myself like second ride already.
Definitely on a new June album.
That's right.
Alright guys, we're just biking today. We don't know where we're going. We're just gonna follow everybody. But it looks like everybody's loading up over there. Hopefully y'all can see it. Y'all are on the chest mount right now. It's a lot of people. Yeah.
I'd just be tired as fuck all the time.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here's how the marina's looking. It's a nice day today. Not hot, not super cold, it's just perfect.
Where's Alice work at again? That's like the 4 points where all the guys come drive up there, you know, through the city, like right there, kind of like East Paliasso.
Oh, Alice's?
What's it? La Honda. Like in between Half Moon Bay and San Mateo. Oh, okay. Yeah, on the Skyline.
All right, going back to the car. Gonna drop my jacket off. I don't think I'm gonna need it. It's a little warm already.
He loves riding his bike. I just found out he goes to the
Got GX right here. Okay. Okay. Got our helmet on. I'm borrowing my dad's setup today. You got the Canyon. Pretty smooth, pretty quick. Bruh.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's about to explode. This is sick. I've never been to something like this before, so I'm excited. Hella people, dude. Hopefully you guys get a good angle with this. Larry just pulled up. Sure, we'll take one.
Right.
I don't know. Thank you.
Would you like What?
And I need all hundreds. Keep all them 20s and shit. I'm a whole nother beast when it.
Alright guys, I'm not gonna let this run the whole time, but I'm gonna turn it on periodically. We taking over the streets. Look at this. How you feeling, Raph? How you feeling? Oh, oh, that's how he's feeling right now. Oh shit. We got a Suron? Is that Suron? My boy got the Google bike. The Google bike. Classic.
You okay back there? Hell man, we coming back the same way we just came. Bro, exactly. I was like, it felt good. Yeah. Now we got to go back up. Able to go down to right.
We are coasting. Holy shit. I gotta catch up to Raph. That hill was hella fun. Damn, this spot's hella nice. Holy shit. Damn. We just made it, guys. We just made it. Nice little like 20-minute ride, maybe 30-minute ride. I see Paperboy all the way over there. Look. Look at him. He's standing out. Hella bright. Hella bright, dude. And we're at Honey Bear. That's Larry June's boba shop. Sounds fire right now, but I know that line gonna be crazy. All right, guys, we're heading back now. Leaving a little bit early. We got to start this stream, so we're gonna go get some lunch and then head back, prep for everything.